Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. How to connect Autopilot to Robinhood in 2025. If you're into automated trading and want to streamline your investments, this is a game changer. Robinhood is that user-friendly app for buying and selling stocks, and Autopilot is all about setting up automated strategies to make your portfolio work smarter, not harder. By the end of this video, you'll have it set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have both accounts ready. Log into your Robinhood app and head over to the Settings menu. Look for the API, or Developer, section. Robinhood has made this easier in 2025 with new integration tools. Once you're there, generate an API key. This is like a special password that lets other apps, like Autopilot, talk to Robinhood securely. Next, jump over to your Autopilot dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. It's free for basic use. In the Settings or Integrations tab, search for Robinhood and select it. You'll be prompted to enter that API key you just created. Double-check for any permissions you need to grant, like access to your trade history or portfolio data. Hit Connect, and watch the magic happen. Now, to make sure everything's working, test a simple automated trade. For example, set up Autopilot to buy a stock when it dips below a certain price. Monitor it closely at first to avoid any surprises. If you run into issues, like connection errors, check your API key or ensure your Robinhood app is updated to the latest version. There you have it. Connecting Autopilot to Robinhood is straightforward and can save you tons of time. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.